Hi, I'm Dugan, herbalist and acupuncturist. This video is about how my herbal clinic works. I'll start with the basics and then explain in more detail. Here's how it works in a nutshell. If you would like to begin herbal medicine treatment with me, simply fill out the new client questionnaire and submit it. Next, schedule a consultation using our online scheduling tool, which can be done in person, over the phone, or through video chat. During this visit, we will go over important details about your treatment plan. You can then purchase your first herbal formula and get started. Every 2 weeks, you'll fill out the returning client questionnaire, and I will adjust your formula according to the responses in your online intake. If that's all you feel like you need to know, you can get started on the questionnaire now. If you'd like some more information about how I practice Chinese herbal medicine, why I do it that way, and what your role is in making your treatment with Chinese herbal medicine a success, keep watching. All your questions will be answered. The way I practice Chinese herbal medicine is different from how medical doctors, naturopathic doctors, and functional medicine doctors do business, so it might feel a little odd to you at first. My techniques are also probably different from what you've experienced with other herbalists or acupuncturists that you've seen in the past. Rest assured, there is a method to the madness. Let's start with how my process works. I have been treating patients with intensive Chinese herbal medicine for more than 10 years. In Chinese medicine, we address problems with gathering information, analyzing that information to understand the root of a problem, and then writing an herbal prescription to treat the root cause of that problem. The information that I need might be different from what you think. I don't necessarily need Western medical disease diagnosis, lab tests, or imaging in order to do Chinese herbal medicine treatment. Let me explain why. Chinese medicine is an independent medical system that was developed long before Western medicine, meaning that it's unrelated to Western medicine and the diagnostic methods that we use are unique. We examine the clinical history, when your problem started, the metrics of your body's global function, like your appetite, sleep, and digestion, the nature of your problem, like what makes it better and worse, and objective measures like examining your tongue, which actually tells us a lot about your body's inner workings. These examinations tell me everything I need to know about your health and what I need to do to unwind the presenting pathology and direct your body towards greater well-being. I gather this information through an adaptive online intake form that I designed to collect every piece of data that I need in order to analyze and treat your case. As an aside, if you're interested in a deeper dive into how Chinese medicine works, the theory, diagnosis, and all of that fun stuff, please check out my video about Chinese medicine or the blog of the same title. Now, for your role in the process. If you're wondering if I can help you, the first step is to fill out my new client questionnaire. It is important that you include as much detail as possible, including a photo of your tongue in good lighting. You can include any diagnoses you may have, but also take time to describe how you're feeling. For example, rather than just writing migraines, you might say something like, I have weekly migraines with pain behind both eyes, vomiting, and intolerance of light and loud sounds, and the migraines are triggered by eating cheese, or whatever the case may be for you. Once you've filled out the intake, next, schedule a consultation with me through our online scheduling tool. Consultations can be done in person, over the phone, or through video chat. During this visit, we'll go over important details about your treatment plan, including the duration of your treatment, what to expect when taking herbal medicine, and any lifestyle or dietary change that may be important in your healing process. You can then move forward with your treatment plan by paying for your initial herbal formula, and then your herbs will be delivered to you within a few days. Now, you'll notice that I said initial formula. That's important. This first formula will last for 2 weeks. At that time, you will fill out the returning client questionnaire and update me with any changes on how you're feeling and an updated tongue photo. This provides me with the information about how the treatment's working, and it tells me if anything needs to be adjusted. I will write an updated formula and send out another 2-week supply of herbs. We continue like that throughout the duration of your treatment. There are a few reasons why the formula needs to change over time. One is because you change over time. That's the whole point of treatment. Another is that part of the reason my treatments are effective is because they are strong. The dosage of my formulas are typically 10 to 50 times higher than what you'll get from herbal medicine that's self-prescribed, recommended by a naturopath, functional medicine doctor, or by many other acupuncturists or herbalists. This means that you generally can't take the same formula for 6 months. It must be reevaluated and adjusted regularly. Third, treatment of complex problems often happens in stages. For example, we may need to correct underlying digestive problems so that your body can absorb and metabolize the herbs that are needed to address your chief complaint. Throughout the treatment process, scheduling regular consultations is not necessary for most clients. All you have to do is fill out the returning client questionnaire every 2 weeks to stay on track. However, if you have a very difficult case, or if you simply want additional support and have lots of questions, you can schedule follow-up consultations as needed. Okay, so at this point you may be wondering, what exactly is an herbal formula? I've been throwing around the term a lot. An herbal formula is a combination of medicinal herbs that are taken together and work in tandem to create a desired effect in the body. This is one of the things that makes Chinese herbal medicine stand head and shoulders above other herbal medicine systems. By combining the natures and actions of different powerful herbs, we can create a balanced, focused, and effective treatment that is infinitely adaptable. I create your formula by selecting from hundreds of single herbs in the Chinese herbal pharmacopoeia and then combining these with each other, each herb with its own specific dosage within the formula. This is not a protocol of products and supplements that you can find on Amazon or FullScript. I operate my own Chinese herbal pharmacy for a couple reasons. There are not many herbal pharmacies in the United States, and also because I want to make sure that the herbs I carry are the highest quality. So your custom herbal formula is made in-house by me. So how much does Chinese herbal medicine cost? I'll be honest with you, my herbal medicine programs are not cheap. Our initial consultation is $200. The cost of your herbal medicine is $400 a month for the duration of your treatment plan. Treatment plans will vary in length based on the condition and severity, but the average treatment plan is 3 to 6 months for $1,200 to $2,400 in total. Keep in mind that our initial consultation is a one-time cost. Most clients do not need to schedule follow-up consultations for a successful treatment plan. This can sound like a lot, but in my clinic, I frequently help patients who had previously spent much more on treatments that did not work. You might save a lot of money by starting here. A great deal of time, attention, care, and clinical experience goes into analyzing your case and selecting the appropriate herbs for you. On top of that, I use the highest quality herbs that money can buy, rigorously tested for potency, and screened for contaminants like heavy metals and pesticides. It's also important to remember that we are not treating you indefinitely, so the monthly cost is not a long-term recurring cost. I've had great success using this process to treat patients for a wide variety of complaints. It's convenient for you and allows me time to deeply consider your case. I hope this video helped you understand the ins and outs of starting herbal medicine treatment with me a little bit better. If you want to learn more or you still have questions, please check out my About Chinese Medicine video or blog article. I look forward to hearing from you.